The graph gives information about how to use a plastic bottle as a bird feeder. According to the picture, in the left half there is a bottle with two pencils in it, which is brown and blue, respectively, and the bottle is full of food. In the right half, the two pencils are replaced with two spoons, which are made of wood. What's more, the little bird standing on the spoon can get food from the bottle. Finally, we can see the caps of two bottles have different colours, namely blue and white. To sum up, the graph tells about how a bird feeder works. The following graph gives information about S&P/ASX 200, a share market index. You can see from this graph that the value of 10 is around 0, the lowest. Then that of 11 is around 3,490, which is higher. According to the graph, the highest one is around 3,500, and it occurs at 11:30. Finally, at 12:15, it is around 3,492 as the third peak. To sum up, this graph tells about a share market index.
The following graph gives information about bird migration in the continent of America. In this graph, Canada is marked as a breeding area in blue, and the north of South America is marked as a wintering area in orange. What's more, birds will fly northwards in the spring from the wintering area to the breeding area, as the yellow arrow shows. And birds will come back in the fall to the wintering area, according to the green arrow. To sum up, this graph tells about blackpoll bird migration.
The following graph gives information about the grey parrot range. Data of different areas are displayed on the map. The items include the Congo grey parrot and the Timneh grey parrot. According to this graph, the Congo grey parrot is most distributed in Congo and Cameroon. What's more, the Timneh grey parrot is most distributed in Corbiria and Côte d'Ivoire. Finally, the Congo grey parrot is the most one in Africa. To sum up, this graph tells about the grey parrot range. The following graph gives information about pencil length. The items include New Jersey, Chicago, and Michigan. According to this graph, in Chicago, the length of the pencil is around 46.750, and that of New Jersey is higher, which is around 50.580. You can see from this graph that the highest length of the pencil is in New Jersey, around 50.680. Finally, the shortest pencil is Virginia, just 18.950. In conclusion, New Jersey has the highest length of the pencil.